Now that you know how to search by tags, I thought I'd show you something new about how to find volunteers within a county in your state. You would think that choosing address and county would be all that's needed, but because of the way we had to import county data into Nation Builder, we had to create a custom field. So when you log in and go to the dashboard, just click the People button and then choose the filter funnel and go ahead and add criteria for your search. Now normally you'd search for county by going to address and address county, and you type in Mecklenburg and you do a search. Now you notice you only get 65 people. And so what we are going to do is we're going to delete this. We're going to go and look for the county a different way. And in order to do this, we're going to need to scroll all the way down to Custom Fields and County People. Now we can type in Mecklenburg again. And notice that the first letter is capitalized. That's the way it's in the database. And when we do a custom field search like this, it needs to match exactly. So now let's do a filter and see the result. That's much more like it. We have 662 people that are in this county. Now the other thing we want to do is to make sure that there might be some Mecklenburg, South Dakota, or Mecklenburg, Ohio. So we're going to go ahead and add the state name as well. That's much easier. Just go to address, address state, and then pull the state name down from the menu. You can either scroll down or type the first few characters. There's North Carolina, and we'd run the filter as again, and we get 647 people, which is pretty darn close. That is our filter. We'll save our filter as Mecklenburg NC volunteers, and we will save that filter. And we're going to make a note of that, because if you want to have your state leader or your state IT person do an email broadcast for you, now you can also add more to this search. County People Mecklenburg, primary address is in North Carolina. You can add another county. So let's say you're having a big event and you want to find people who are in the neighboring county as well, and the county is Iredell. Let's see how that should be, or matching any. Okay, and so now we're looking for anybody who is in County Mecklenburg or County Iredell and their address is in North Carolina. Let's see what kind of result we get there. So depending on the type of project you need and the type of event you're having, you might want to reach out to more than just the people within your county. Thanks again for going through our training program. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to call Don Rosenberg or Steve Arnold at the numbers on your screen. Always, we want you to know that we appreciate your help as Dr. Ben Carson volunteers.